Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to effectively manage your file uploads on CloudAssess. Understanding the best practices for uploading can save you time and ensure your files are added to your records smoothly and successfully. Firstly, while CloudAssess doesn't restrict the type or size of files that you can upload, larger files might take longer and could be problematic depending on your internet speed and connection. To keep things running smoothly, here are some tips. Try to keep your file sizes around 50 megabytes or below. You can do this by compressing or squeezing the files before uploading them. This reduces the upload time and decreases the chances of running into problems. Before starting an upload, close any applications, windows, or tabs you aren't using. This frees up your internet bandwidth and computing power, making upload process quicker and more efficient. Instead of uploading multiple files at once, upload them one at a time. After uploading a file, make sure to save it before moving on to the next. This approach prevents the system from being overwhelmed, which can slow down your upload speeds or cause timeouts. If you're sharing your internet connection with others who are also uploading files, taking turns can significantly improve your upload speed and reduce browser timeouts. Watch the upload progress bar. Wait till it ends, completes, and disappears before you hit save. Saving too early might result in an incomplete upload, and your file won't attach properly to your records. Regularly clear your browser's history and cache. Over time, too much stored data can slow down your browser's performance, affecting upload speeds. Always ensure your files are virus-free before uploading them. This not only protects your system, but also ensures the platform remains secure. Before uploading a large file, compare its size to your internet upload speed. For example, if you're trying to upload a 300 megabyte file with a 3 megabyte per second upload speed, it might take around 10 minutes. If your browser is prone to timing out, consider compressing the file to reduce its size for a quicker upload. By following these tips, you'll find that uploading files to CloudAssess becomes a breeze, even when handling larger documents or working under less than ideal internet conditions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips to make your experience with CloudAssess as smooth as possible.